Hey everybody, welcome back to Going Ballistic, your research and destruction channel. And we are back at it again up in the mountain range. Well, you're just here again with me. So Justin is still out hunting and well, he's not here today. Still, he wasn't here last night. To any of you who tuned into the live chat with me, I appreciate you guys tuning in. That was a lot of fun. We will do it again in a couple weeks with Justin. Well, here's what we got for you guys today. So a collector friend of mine sent me these rare blue plastic tip with a brass case training ammo 5.56. I was trying to find any videos on these. I couldn't. If you guys know of any videos, let me know. And not a lot of information on the internet about these. I did find one where there was one similar to this. And they were saying that the projectile weighs 0.3 grams. So this thing has got to be moving. So we are going to set up a chronograph to see how fast these little bad boys are. When you shake them, there is a ton of powder in them. So I'm thinking these things are going to move over 4,000 feet per second. So we're going to try different targets with them. What we got is to see, well, for one, we're going to see if it'll penetrate into the ballistics gel. Now, if you remember this video here, I shot these 9mm ones that went 3,300 feet per second and they just bounced off like a big fat belly. So we're going to try that today, see if these will actually embed themselves in this ballistic gel. And then we're going to try them on different surfaces. We got a Diet Dr. Pepper, because God, I don't know of anybody that drinks that. And then I want to see on the high-speed camera, because it always looks cool, is I got 3 eggs here, and we're going to see if this thing will punch through all 3 eggs. And then we also got a much harder can. This is an old can of stuff, great stuff, that makes a great mess. So if it penetrates it, it's going to make a great mess. We'll see. I also brought out, because I wanted to see what these EP rounds, this is a 5.56 EP round, does in ballistic gel. I got the other piece over there so we can actually line them up, see how far this goes through. These are supposed to break off into 3 pieces, so this one will be at the end if you're interested in sticking around seeing that. Well, this is what we got for you all. Let's get started and take a closer look. Here we go. All right, here we go. First one, I zeroed in the rifle. Totally different round. We'll see if it'll hit. Okay, let's see how fast that went. Okay, over 3,500 feet per second, 3,584. So that little round is moving, but the high speed was funny. It took it in and spit it out. That was so funny. So there is a couple pieces stuck in here, just tiny ones. So just like the 9mm video, they just don't have enough power to penetrate and stay in. I mean, it hit pretty hard. It would hurt like a son of a gun if you got hit with one of these things. All right, well, next we're going to try the Dr. Pepper and see if it can bust into that can. Hopefully it won't spray all over my cameras, but here we go. All right, let's see if we can get another 3,500 feet per second. Well, that went through there no problem. Let's check it out. Whoa. Well, that had absolutely no problem ripping up this can. That was pretty sweet. Hit right here and just opened it up. That was pretty cool on the high speed, like that. So 4,232 feet per second. We will see now if it can bust through the great stuff can. Definitely move my cameras back a little bit more for this stuff, because once it gets on there, man, that's nasty stuff. But let's do it. Okay, great stuff. Will it make a great mess? We're gonna find out. Yes. Oh man, let's check it out. Earl, clean up on aisle 4. Oh my God, what a mess. What an actual mess. I'm gonna go find the can. I'll be right back. Well, here is the can. You can see my table right over there through the trees. It did make a huge mess. Thank God it didn't get on my high-speed camera, but it got in the camera bag, hit right there in the center. Ooh, eat your heart out, Justin. I've been on target. Yeah, look at this. Ooh, I got a mess to rake up once this stuff is dry. Oh man, that's how close my high-speed camera was to it. Crazy. Again, over 4,200 feet per second. And that's a harder can, and it went right through it. All right, that was pretty cool. Tomorrow, definitely cleanup day once this stuff dries. Oh, that was awesome. Well, we're gonna do the eggs now. I just wanna see what that looks like on high speed. I mean, these things, again, over 4,200 feet per second, that is moving for that little piece of plastic. All righty, let's see if we can make some scrambled eggs. Well, it looks like 2 of them. Let's go check it out. Well, dang it. I missed the egg, so I guess there's no taking on Justin. But that's a pretty good target. I hit straight on this, came up, blew up the first egg, second egg, and the third one is good. But what I'm gonna do is just go ahead and can't even hit the target, so I guess there's gonna be no shootout between Justin and I. All right, we got one more round for you guys. I want to see what that EP round does going through some ballistic gel. So I'm gonna pull that out, get it set up. Hang tight. I want to thank one of our subscribers for turning me onto this idea. Telflatermass did this in a video, and I didn't know you could do this, but you see these have a lot of wrinkles on them. All you got to do is take a blowtorch and just run it over really lightly, and it'll melt it down and make it nice and clear. So we're gonna get this done for you guys and then shoot it. Oh, look how clear that is. All right, last one, EP round. Let's see how fast it goes and if it breaks into 3 pieces like they say. Well, that was pretty cool. 3,000 feet per second. I was really hoping to capture that center core piece and tip center core combination piece. From what I read, they're supposed to break into 3 pieces, and that one shot out the side and went off somewhere into the woods. I'm never going to find it, and no, I'm not going to take a metal detector to go try and find it. But that was pretty cool. Thank you all for watching. Really appreciate it. Hit that subscribe button and like button. Gosh, we just really appreciate you all watching these videos. Hopefully Justin will be back from hunting soon, and we'll shoot that stupid cylinder head. But stick around, we got a lot more coming for you. We'll be back.